Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're given the graph of function f, defined by f of x is equal to negative 1/2 x minus 4 squared plus 10. And we're asked if the function g, which is not shown, is defined by g of x is equal to negative x plus 10, what is one possible value of a such that f of a is equal to g of a. So one way you could do this is you could set f of x equal to g of x, but we have a quadratic here with a coefficient of negative 1/2. Setting these equal to each other is not going to be the easiest thing in the world. So what we are going to do is we're going to graph g of x. And where the two curves intersect is where f of a is equal to g of a. So we have a line here in slope-intercept form where we have g of x is equal to negative x, so that's negative 1x plus 10. And here we have the y-intercept is 10, and the slope is negative 1. So how do we graph that? Well, our y-intercept is 10, so we start here on the y-axis. And if the slope is negative 1, that means we go down 1 and then over 1. Right? So down 1, over 1, and we have a grid system in place here, so it's really easy. Just go down 1 to the right 1 continuously, and until it will go off of our graph in the negative numbers. And the grid system isn't perfect, so this isn't going to be a perfect line, but you get the idea. And we can see the intersection point of these two functions, f of x and g of x, is this point right here. Right? At that point, f of a is equal to g of a. What is a in this situation? Well, it's the x value of this point. Right? So that's over here. The x value of this point is between 1 and 2, so we call that 1.5. And at this point, f of 1.5 is equal to g of 1.5 is equal to this point. So our value of a that we're looking for is 1.5 is going to be your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.